A few years ago, my friend Seclane wanted to learn English. He joined classes, watched videos, and bought books, but after 6 months, he still could not speak even one full sentence confidently. He was frustrated. One day he came to me and said, "Maybe English is not for me." But I told him, "Seclane, the problem is not you. The problem is how you are learning." I shared some simple steps with him, steps that anyone can follow. And guess what? In just 3 months, Seclane started speaking English clearly and confidently. Today, he even gives small speeches in English at his office. And in this video, I'm going to share those same steps with you. So if you are a beginner and you want to learn English fast, stay with me till the end. I know many of you feel like English is too hard. You understand a few words, but when you try to speak, your mind goes blank. Don't worry. That will change after this video. Let's start step by step. Step 1, stop trying to be perfect. Many learners want to speak perfect English from day one. They want to use big words, perfect grammar, and long sentences. But that's not how we learn anything new. Think about driving a car. When you first learn to drive, you don't focus on driving perfectly. You just try not to hit anything. At first, you move slowly, make small mistakes, and sometimes stop suddenly. But with practice, you get better, and soon you can drive smoothly without thinking. Learning English is the same. You don't have to be perfect on the first day. Start small, but speak every day. Remember this, don't try to be perfect, try to be better. Step 2, listen before you speak. Before you can speak well, you must listen well. When you listen, your brain learns pronunciation, rhythm, and real sentence patterns. So listen to English every day, even for 15 minutes. You can listen to short YouTube videos, English podcasts, or English stories. Even children's cartoons in English are great because they use simple words. When you listen daily, your brain starts to copy what you hear. That's how you become fluent. Not by memorizing grammar, but by listening and copying. Step 3, learn words and phrases not alone. Many students try to learn 20 new words a day, but after 1 week, they forget everything. Here's the trick. Don't learn single words, learn phrases or word groups. For example, instead of learning just the word morning, learn good morning, in the morning, every morning. When you learn phrases, you understand how words work in real life. That helps you speak naturally. Step 4, speak every day, even if you're alone. Now, this is very important. You can't learn swimming by reading about it, right? You have to jump into the water. The same rule applies to English. You can't learn to speak by only studying books. You have to speak every single day. If you don't have a partner, no problem. Talk to yourself in English. Describe what you are doing. For example, I am making tea. I am cleaning my room. I am watching an English video. It may feel strange at first, but trust me, this works. Step 5, read and repeat. Reading helps you see correct sentence structures. Start with simple English books or stories. When you read, try to speak the sentences aloud. For example, if the sentence says, "She goes to school every day," say it out loud. Your tongue and your brain will start working together. And when you see the same sentence again and again, it becomes natural. Step 6, practice a little every day. Many people study for 2 hours one day, then stop for a week. That doesn't work. It's better to study 15 minutes every day than 2 hours once a week. Small steps every day make a big change. You can make a small daily plan like this: 10 minutes listening, a 10 minutes speaking, 10 minutes reading or writing. That's just 30 minutes a day, but it's powerful. Step 7, enjoy the process. Finally, don't make English a boring subject. Make it fun. Watch your favorite movies in English. Sing English songs. Follow English meme pages. When you enjoy English, you will not feel like you're studying. You'll feel like you're living it. So, my friend, remember these 7 simple steps. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep speaking English. And if you like this video, please subscribe Mr. English Podcast. Thank you. Bye-bye.